Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9i and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to find convenience tools. Now let's tap on navigation. It should be on the first position, and as you can see here we've got two different options from which we can choose. We've got swipe gestures from both sides or virtual buttons, and if you will decide that you want to stick with virtual buttons, here you can change the layout of them, so you can reorder and the recents and the back button. It's up to you, of course, but if you'd like to set the gestures, just tap on this very first option. And as you can see here, we've got the animation of how to use the gestures, but of course, no worries, I'll show you. What's more, we've got much more options right here. So we've got the gesture tutorial, you can go through it and learn. Here you can decide if you want to hide gesture guide bar, so this line which is at the very bottom. You can decide if you want to fit the vibration feedback on back navigation. You can switch to previous apps or mistouch prevention. You can customize those options just like you want to. So let me show you how it works actually. So if you'd like to get back to the previous page, then you have to swipe your finger from the left side or right side. It doesn't really matter, just swipe it. And if you can see this arrow, just release the finger. So as you can see, you can go back to previous page. If you'd like to come back directly to the home screen, just swipe your finger up fastly, just like that. And as you can see, we are on the home screen. And if you'd like to check the recent, so the place where all previously opened apps are stored, then swipe your finger up also, but hold it somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps. So actually this is it. This is how to set gesture navigation type in your Realme 9i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.